What is business process automation? Why is it important? And is it true that it's only affordable for large enterprises? Let's straighten things out today. What's up? My name is Grady, and you're watching Understanding Automation by airSlate. Business process automation describes a situation where a business process is executed without human intervention. Simply put, it occurs when you take a task and implement software to have it executed behind the scenes, on a schedule, or in other words, automatically. When we talk about the benefits that business automation has to offer, we usually mention higher productivity, less human error, and reduced operating costs. If implemented properly, these factors add up to a good return on investment, better customer service, and happier employees. The real question here is how to get the most out of automation for your everyday processes. Here are a few quick tips. Don't try automating broken processes. After all, automation is just a tool in your hands, so don't expect it to do the job for you. Use workflow mapping to organize work between teams and understand all the steps needed before applying an automation solution. Automating too much is a pothole. The human touch is still essential to the success of your business automation strategy. You can automate particular processes, but it's still humans who are in charge of decision making. Pick an automation solution that corresponds to your business model. Depending on your automation goals, your software should embrace the specific features you need most. Businesses often find themselves stuck in a type of hostage situation where each part of their workflow is owned by a separate service vendor. That's why ensuring that your automation tool is capable of easy integration with other systems is essential. Choose a solution with all possible security measures applied to repel a potential cyber attack. Digital transformation makes business processes simpler and faster, but also makes them more vulnerable to outside intervention. There are also a few common myths around business process automation that we wanted to cover today. Myth number 1, automation decreases flexibility. If you think about it, it's just a matter of finding the right approach. The core requirement here is that your automation solution should be able to scale with your business. Standard features should include things like a team workspace, document generation tools, contract negotiation tools, automated payment collection tools, and of course, analytics. Myth number 2, automation is expensive. Again, it all depends. First and foremost, avoid platforms that make you spend a fortune just to try. Key automation features should be available from the moment you create a new workspace, regardless of the subscription plan you've chosen. For instance, if you look at the airSlate pricing policy, you can see that it allows you to start from the ground up and add more features as you go. Myth number 3, automation tools require a lot of technical knowledge to implement. Well, this might have been true in the past. Luckily today, we have no-code business automation platforms that allow even the least tech-savvy users to get on board and start automating their repetitive tasks in a matter of minutes. Every business has room for improvement, and yours is no exception. If you're still wondering how automation can make your business more efficient, we have all the answers you need.